Hey guys, what's going on? Frank Rich here from Rebuilt Recovery, and in today's video, I want to talk to you about what to do when you relapse in your journey to overcoming porn addiction. I'm going to give you the 3 questions that you need to ask yourself every single time you're faced with this situation. So here you are, you've been going through the process of uncovering how porn is holding you back in your life. You're studying the videos here, which you haven't done so yet. Make sure to subscribe because we are releasing new videos every Monday through Friday at this point to help you break out of the shackle of porn addiction through the power of faith and fitness. But back to what happens when you relapse. So you're doing the work, you've identified what your triggers are, you've found your accountability partner, perhaps you've even joined our program or one of the other programs that are out there. And guys, I can tell you the feeling that you're at right now, you're so fired up, you're seeing success, you're seeing greatness, you're uncovering who you are, who you want to be, and you're moving forward into life and ultimately step into who you were designed to be. But you slip up. You relapse, you find yourself late one night, browsing the web, you land on your favorite site, or maybe you're triggered because you spent some time at the beach or you saw this beautiful woman at the grocery store. So you go back into these unproductive and destructive habits. And then you wake up the next day and you're just riddled with this guilt and shame, and you're unsure of if life without porn is even meant for you. So what do you do in this time? Because, brother, I can tell you that if you're gonna win this battle, if you're truly gonna overcome this fight and step into the life that you were created to live, there's gonna be times when it feels like the road that you're going down just has no end. It feels like this hurdle that you're trying to overcome is too high for you to jump. So you'd rather just give in to your temptation and give in to the life that you used to live. But that's not where greatness lives. That's not where the life that you were designed to live exists. So what do you do when you relapse? Well, the first thing is shake it off. You know, if you're working with an accountability partner, schedule a call immediately. Get your therapist, get your coach on the call. Reach out to your men's group support. Reach out to your best friend, whoever it is that's serving the role of accountability. Make sure you get in touch with them immediately. Not as a way to guilt you or shame you into, oh, you shouldn't have done this, you're a bad person, but just to let them know and for them to let you know that, hey, this is a part of the journey, brother. This is a part of the process of where we need to learn what things that we need to grow and improve upon. So the first thing you need to do when you relapse is find your accountability and make sure that you connect with them as soon as possible and get it all out on the table. Let them know the environment, let them know the triggers, let them know the behaviors enacted out, and let them know the real feelings that you're living with right now, because they're there to support you, they're there to guide you, but they're there to hold you accountable. So there's gonna be a little bit of discomfort in doing this because you let not just yourself down, but you let them down. But this is where growth happens, when you can really face the challenges, you can face the hard issues and look them dead in the eye and say, we're gonna work through this together. So once you've really worked through your accountability and you've gotten it out there and you know that this is not who you truly are, and they've given you the support to know that, hey brother, this is a part of the process. What can you do? Well, here at Rebuilt Recovery, we walk you through a journaling and really unpacking exercise, and we give you 3 questions that you should ask yourself in this moment, in this time, to help you really unpack the issue and move forward for it. Now, if you're looking to create a life without pornography, make sure to hit that first link in the description box, and also in the first comment down there, we've written a free ebook. It's called 7 Steps to Living Life Without Porn, where you walk you through how to create a life, how to create a vision of what everything your life could be if you remove porn, and then actually how to put these steps into place. So hit the first link right there. Like I said, it's in the first comment down there below, and grab the free ebook simply at no cost. Just send your email address. We'll send it to you guys right away. But you've gone through the accountability. You've had that phone call. Things are on the table. Everybody knows that what happened is a part of the process and it's not who we truly are. So now it's time for you to spend some time in journaling, in a meditative practice, to really uncover what happened, why it happened, and how you're gonna move forward. So the 3 questions I want you to answer in this journaling exercise, and I would say spend 30 to 60 minutes. Like, this is not something you do in 5 minutes where you grab a quick sheet of paper and you jot some notes down. No, get in a quiet, solitude place, step away, go to a park outside. If you're close by a beach, go spend some time in the ocean, spend some time at the beach, get connected with nature, but have your journal there with you. And you're gonna answer these 3 questions. A, why did this happen? What environment that you were in that you shouldn't have been in? What was the trigger? Why did you not respond to the triggers in the way that you should have? And if you need some help with that, go back and watch some of our previous videos about what to do when you're triggered to watch porn. But uncover why it happened. Secondly, you need to ask yourself, how could you have prevented it? So we've given you the tools, we've given you the skill sets, we've given you the actionable things that need to happen when you're triggered, but why didn't it happen here? So how did it happen? Why did it happen? And how could you have prevented it? The first two questions. And then the third thing, and this is the most important, is what are you going to do to prevent it from happening again in the future? Because remember, the ultimate person responsible for overcoming this addiction to pornography is you. It's not me. It's not your accountability partner. It's not God. It's not Jesus. All of us will be here to support and guide you. But real success, real freedom comes when you take the action and you follow the steps and you make the change in your life. So what are you going to do to ensure that it never happens again? And they probably never actually answered that question before, which is why you relapsed and slipped up in the first place, because you didn't know what you were actually going to do when the triggers came. So spend some time, and this is probably going to be the most important. What are you going to do to never let it happen again? Take ownership for your actions. Take ownership for your lack of responsibility. Take ownership for your life moving forward. And that's it, guys. Figure out why it happened, what could you have done to prevent it from happening, and how are you going to change it so it won't happen again in the future. And that's it, guys. Now, will doing this exercise one time ensure that you never relapse again? Absolutely not. Brother, this is a daily process for the rest of your life. If you don't believe that, go back and watch the video where I talk about overcoming pornography addiction one day at a time. But it's got to start with a decision. It's got to start with a change. But ultimately, you are the one responsible for taking control of your life and ultimately breaking free of this addiction. Now, if you need some help in doing that, like I said, we got a free ebook right down there in the first comment below, 7 steps to creating life or living life after pornography. And also, if you need some help and you're looking for a serious, committed coach and program to walk you through the steps of creating a life after pornography, once you download that ebook, book a call with myself or somebody here on my team at Rebuilt Recovery, and we'll talk to you about our process of rebooting your life and how we can work together for the next 16 weeks. But that's it, guys. Frank Rich from Rebuilt Recovery, helping you to know what to do when you relapse in your fight of overcoming pornography addiction. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also comment below, what do you think about this video? Did it help you? And what type of content and videos you want to see in the upcoming future? Because like I said, we are releasing new videos every Monday through Friday at this point. That's it, guys. Frank Rich for Rebuilt Recovery. I'll see you on the other side.